Hey guys, this is Phillyswords RC bringing to you the Losi 22s. Let's take a look inside the box. Purple body don't look bad with that blue. It don't look bad. Let's take this out. The body should have been there already. Look at this. Got that light. Let's see what we got here. Got the manual, look like some stickers. You can come with batteries. Let's see what we got in the box here. Okay, got the standard SLT3 controller. Let's check out the body. 1969 Camaro. They did a great job. Look at the headlights. Grill. Nice build. Sticky tires. Damn, I love this body. You have the aluminum chassis. Front and rear aluminum shocks. You also have a Firma 100 amp smart ESC. And then you have a 6500 kV motor Spectrum. Yeah, we're gonna do this first pass on a 2S battery. See how it do. This is my first time running it. Let's check it out. It got pretty good handling.